so much longer.
Oh, gosh.
But just to keep her happy.
Oh, Pepper, I'm so sad.
No, you're not getting on top.
Hey guys, here's Danielle with Pepper, and turns out Pepper's a lot older. You think 50 or 60 years old from a bone density?
Yep.
Oh, Pepper.
What?
And they're saying Pepper is dying, and guys, they thought Pepper was only like 20, and but just I'll tell the viewers, birds will mask their symptoms, and Danielle just now that's, oh my goodness, that's imitating somebody else, a former owner. All right, guys, we're signing off with Danielle and Pepper. Pepper, we love you. Bye, baby.